amigos, welcome to my channel. Today recipe, I'm very excited to film it because, as you know, I'm from the Canary Islands and that dish is very known over there and I think all over the world, and I wanted to share with you. That is the Mojo Rojo, that is the red sauce. That is really very known in the Canary Island. I already filmed the wrinkled potatoes that you have the link over here, and the cilantro mojo that is also very known, and you have the link up here. This is red and it's spicy, you know, and the recipe is very easy and I hope you enjoy. And if you want to know how to make this wonderful sauce, keep watching. Hola amigos, hoy voy a compartir con ustedes una receta que me encanta hacerla y es el mojo rojo o el mojo picón de las Islas Canarias. Es un mojo que es un poco picante y es súper famoso internacionalmente desde nuestra isla. Let's start making this wonderful mojo. I have three garlic. You know, as always I tell you, I cut the vein in case they have it. I just put it in my blender. You know, they are new because they don't have any. So I put my garlic in the blender and I just chop it. Now I have that habanero pepper. When you handle with very spicy peppers, don't touch your eyes, because that they will be, you know, you will see how they will be hurting you. So I just cut it, my red pepper, and I cut it in half. That is really spicy. So that is how you want the spicy. I'm just going to take out all this vein from one, you know, that is a really spicy thing, you know, and that red white vein, that is very spicy. So I just take out, you know, I can even feel it. I put the vein and I'm going to put the other half, adding to my blender. Now I have here cumin, so I am going to cumin that is grounded. I'm going to put half of tablespoon. I have here half a cup of regular olive oil. I don't want to use extra virgin because that will give too much flavor and I don't want that flavor. It's half a cup. I add it to my thing. I add some salt to taste, a little bit more salt. I have here the pimentón dulce, paprika, the Spanish paprika dulce, and I'm going to go, you know, to put a big bunch. That is 1 tablespoon, 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon and a little bit more. And I have the vinegar. For the vinegar, I just going to have 1 teaspoon, just a little bit. That is a cherry vinegar. And I put it here, I close it, and I mix it, everything, until you see everything is blended. Done? Okay, our mojo is done. You see the texture is like a sauce, you know, and it's a little bit thicker. So my advice when you make this type of sauces is to make it the day before or even a few days before, so all the flavors get, you know, in the, and I keep it in my jar and just shake it, you know. That is, I made it a few days ago, and you just shake it a little bit and the flavor will be much better. Regarding the peppers, I use the habanero pepper. You can use any other pepper that you want, or you find it where you live. Something spicy. If you don't want it that spicy, you know, use a less spicy pepper. So now that is like a tapa, and here I have my wrinkled potatoes that you see. If you haven't seen, that is one of my best watches people videos, and I leave you that link. Is potatoes, tiny potatoes, and I found today the most tiny potato that I've seen here, and I just wrinkle. And the way we have that is we are going to make like a tapa. So what I'm going to do is just to sprinkle a little bit of the mojo on top of the potatoes, and that will be like appetizer. You can use that mojo for a sauce for a barbecue. You can marinate some fish on it. You can do several things. So that is our tapa. I'm going to try, as always, to see how it came out. You know, you move. So I'm going to be back in my island now. I'm in Tenerife now. Really good. I really like it. It's a little bit spicy. If you wanted less spicy, don't put the vein, the white vein or the seed, because that is what makes it more spicy. This is my video of today. I hope you have enjoyed. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel, and I see you next week. Bye bye.